We're starting off the year going to a store that started it all for me. I know I always do Aritzia hauls, Lululemon, Skims, but the store that started it all for me was Rainbow. Me and my mom used to be at Rainbow's every single week looking for new things to wear. That was the OG. So we're gonna go to Rainbow's and we're gonna see if we can come up with just a really great outfit. You don't need a lot of money to make a really good outfit, and that's the point of this video. Exhibit A. For one, Amazon, Primark, Forever 21. You do not need a lot of money to make a really nice outfit. I saw a TikTok where this girl, she found Rainbow for the first time in 2022. I was just like, how is this, like, is this not a thing in a lot of neighborhoods? Apparently not. Anyway, let's just go.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night.
I hope that you guys can hear me. I completely forgot that they blast the music here, so it's really loud. So I'm gonna try to speak over it. I'm going for some neutrals. We have a whole wall. This music is so loud, but I found all of these like loungewear sets, and I wanted the black one, but I think I'm just gonna get the gray one. Actually pretty cute, I think. Maybe I'll grab one of these. They have them in different colors. I just can't try anything on, so I have a ton of these like little corset things. These are actually not bad at all. I ended up grabbing like a bodysuit version to see how I like it, and I hope that it fits. This is actually pretty cool. It could actually be a fit if you put it together, right? $39.97. This cool Sherpa. This I could not find any other sizes, but this looks nice. It doesn't feel the best, but it's nice. We're downstairs. They usually have like a separate section for shoes, so I'm in the shoe section, and it also looks like it's the clearance and plus size section and some accessories here. So let's see if I can find any shoes. Most likely I will not. I used to buy shoes from here, don't get it twisted, but they weren't always the most comfortable. So okay, but these are actually not bad. I feel like this is something you probably find like at Steve Madden or something. Guys, I used to buy shoes like these from here when I was younger. Don't come at me, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm about to buy a pair of these. I'm not even kidding. They even have these. If I find my size in these, I'm buying them, because I am not kidding. They're way too small. They feel horrible, like plastic, but just to be around the house. So I made it back. Such a big bag. They are done with the plastic bags. It is stuffed to the brim. That was the most, or one of the most Dominican Rainbows that I've ever been to in my life. It was a vibe, but I hope you guys could hear me. The first thing that I want to say is I went in there wanting to make complete outfits. It wasn't possible with the bottoms that they had there. They didn't have too many that I liked. We're gonna make outfits with what I found along with what I already have. So let's start off with the first thing that I actually grabbed. Something that I always knew shopping at this store that I just completely forgot about is the fact that you need to be careful with the sizing here. I'm trying on this pair of leggings and they only had a medium. And like I have to hike these all the way. Let me see what I can do here. I'm making these work. Disregard how tight these leggings are. But the first thing that I grabbed was the loungewear set, the gray one that I told you guys that I wanted. I loved this because it looks like it's good quality. Like I feel like I got a set that looks similar to this from Zara or something a while ago. Because of the material, it looks a little bit more luxe and a little bit more elevated. It doesn't feel that way, but it does look that way. These leggings have no stretch, or almost no stretch. They are very like tight and restricting. I got these in a size medium, but for $9.99 I can't complain. They did have the matching cardigan. It has pockets. It was $14.99 for a really cute matching set. I feel like this one is really good. Okay, so I have to show you guys real quick in the mirror. This looks really cute, right? What I was hiding from you guys, look at how high these leggings are. And this is just because I did not get the right size. So you guys saw me hiking these up a lot. If I would have gotten a size large, it would have fit nicely. Like right now I feel like it's just flattening my backside, but I should have known. I've learned my lesson at this place before. I think it's time to get out of loungewear and get right into clothes, casual clothes that you can wear outside. First casual thing that I actually picked up was this bodysuit. I think I showed this to you in the store briefly. I loved the color. I feel like this is perfect for the springtime, but it's just like the sizing is so confusing, and the fact that you can't try anything on in store really makes it difficult. So whatever doesn't fit me besides this bodysuit, like you can't return bodysuits for obvious reasons, but everything else you'd have to try on on at home. If it doesn't fit, you have to exchange it in store. So that's a big downside. So I paired it back with just this pair of white pants. These are white pants that I got from Zara. This is what the back of it looks like. But what I was saying about the sizing is this is a size medium. I could have gone down to a size small, and I never normally get anything in a size small. I do feel like I have space. It has the illusion of having underwire, so it doesn't actually have any underwire. I'm wearing a bra with it, which is why it looks the way that it does, but without one, I feel like it won't do a great job of holding you in, but it does give you a really cute look. This was only $13, so that's the thing. I feel like I can't complain because this stuff is so affordable. It gives a really nice look. There's just certain things that I obviously have to sacrifice, but let me just show you guys in the mirror real quick. So if I were to wear this, oh, this would be so perfect for the spring and the summertime. Like, I don't have any shoes on right now, and I feel like you could even wear this with like a mini skirt or even a pair of like really nice tailored shorts. This would look so cute. This is what the fabric is looking like. So it gives the look of like faux matte leather when it really isn't. This is probably like plastic or something, I don't know. The thing about these pieces is that you have to get the right size. I think that's key to really making anything look great. You really have to get the right size for you. I'm in the middle of changing into the next thing that I picked up, and I'm like realized this would look really cute with a pair of blue jeans as well. This is the next top, and I just wanted to show you guys while I'm putting it on. This is how it goes on. Like, you unzip it, but it doesn't unzip all the way. So I kind of struggled a little bit just to get my arm through. I thought this one would be perfect with a pair of blue jeans. It has like padding. It doesn't have underwire, but it does have padding, and it has this sticky material on it so that it doesn't ride down. It is still a little bit loose on me, but I'm realizing that everything right now is fitting loose on me, including my pants. I lost a little bit of weight, and I feel like everything is just gonna look a little slightly bigger than what it normally does. I got this one in a size small, and I feel like a size extra small would have even fit me, because right now this looks fine, but I can tell that as I move around, it's going to ride down a little bit. But I don't think that this sizing is too far off. So this one has to be the best one out of everything that I picked up. How much is this? This was $15. This one has like boning or fake boning, whatever, so that it stays structured in the front, which we love. This is definitely something you would find at Zara for like $50. How cute would this be in the summertime with like a nice bright handbag or a nice bright pair of shoes just for brunch, or even to go out if you wear like a matching pair of brown pants. I was looking for that when I was in the store, but they didn't have any that I liked. Look at the detail really quickly. I actually really like this, and I love that the boning comes down into a V. It's giving you the look of a cinched waist. This one is definitely a great buy. This last one is the most expensive thing that I picked up. It was $33, and it is something that I can actually wear now. They didn't have too many, so I had to get this in the last size available. This was a size large, but I think it'd be cute with like a nice oversized sort of vibe. Actually, let me change my shirt. That would be a good idea. This is a large, people. This is a large, people. Like, oh, but this is it. I thought the corset would be it. No, this clear winner. Oh my god, I don't even have words right now. I have wanted a leather like puffer for such a long time. Rainbow came through. This is how I would wear this. The brown is just so beautiful. It's like a nice matte faux leather, stunning. It has pockets. I love the collar. I love how puffy it is. It's cinched in, so like you can't uncinch it. It has elastic. I feel like Aritzia sells stuff like this for like $200. It looks like I would pull this out of an Aritzia store. The only thing is you really have to look at what you're buying and make sure that it doesn't have any sort of imperfections, because these things are cheap, so they're cheaply made. So some of them will have imperfections. I did have to grab this one because it was the last one, but I did notice that it has like weird stitching right here. I'll just snip that off, but I'm about to wear this tomorrow. I thought the corset was my favorite, but it's this one right here. Typically, this is the part where I would say that's everything that I purchased from this store, but it's not. I actually have a few other things that I'm not getting into in this video that I will be showing you guys very soon, but this is it for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and if you are from New York and this used to be your store, you need to go back, because some of these things so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.